We're just getting started. I know that you want it, baby, just get on it, ready to go. We know how to party, pull out the Bacardi, feel it in my body, put on a show. Yeah, let's go. Nah, we ain't never gonna slow down. All the girls looking hot like a hoe down. Everybody going off in my hometown, ready for a showdown. Keep it on the low now. We about to pop off like a bottle. Everybody knows that we're going full throttle. Drinking alcohol, yeah, straight from the nozzle. End of the night, end up horizontal. They know they want something more. They know they want something more. They've never heard us before. They've never heard us before. A sound that's hard to ignore. A sound that's hard to ignore. It's time to even the score. Everybody like the A, everybody like the A. Rock and roll and the late, rock and roll and the late. Getting hella crazy, getting hella crazy. Party like the A.
Everybody on the channel wants to see you use your boats.
Are you trying to peer pressure me with my photos?
No, it's just I get a billion comments saying if it's her boat, why doesn't she drive it? I don't think it's her boat anymore. She never drives it.
It's easier after a crash. It's easier to just have you drive it.
No, but for real, drive it all day today. All day I want to have her drive the boat.
Maybe.
Alright guys, so we're in Key Largo. We're gonna be taking out the Talon for the first time after the big crash. Dum dum dum. I put a rubber on. I fixed the cracks that she made. I put a rubber on it. We tested her yesterday. She's running decently. We definitely have one of the slowest catamarans in South Florida. Powerboat catamarans in South Florida. But it's okay. She's running. She's turnkey.
She's pretty. She floats.
She looks good in videos and she floats. So today there's a run, the Cheeto run, and we're running late. It's like what, 10:30, 11 o'clock already?
It's 11:30.
It's 11:30, and we slept, and we're trying to get to the boat ramp in Key Largo at 11:30. Not a good idea, but we're not in a rush. It is what it is. I think most of the boats right now are gonna be tied up or anchored out here by Road Beach. So I'm gonna fly the drone to give you guys a little look on how it looks.
Veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, oh, la, 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 la. 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la.
right, $50 later, we're in the water, boys and girls. Let's go. $53. Why 53? Can you imagine $53 to launch your boat at the boat ramp? But we woke up with patience. We have breakfast. It's almost 12 o'clock and we're coming into the water in the Keys. That's a miracle. So I'm trying to, the pack is moving now to a different location and I'm trying to catch up with them. So let's go. I convinced Miss Boat Vibes to drive her boat, and now we're gonna go take a swim somewhere. So we're gonna take it easy. I'm gonna guide her through the channel and everything's gonna be fine, babe. I promise. Let's go. Let's get up on plane. There's a boat right here on your starboard side, so go up behind him. Go behind him because the channel's over there. Alright, just go straight right here. You can tilt this more down if you want. Maybe, that way. Doing good, babe. Channel's over there, baby. You see it? I keep pointing it. I pointed it to you 3 times.
Say it to me, okay?
I know, but I pointed it 3 times. Good job. You'll get used to it. Boating in the Keys is not easy for your first time. But when we got in the channel, I want you to stay on your starboard side as much as you can, which is your right side. Okay? We're probably doing around 30, 40 miles an hour right now. Not even 30 miles an hour. Turn on the GPS.
Baby, listen to me. This is where I get nervous, so I need you to pay attention and slow this down a bit.
Okay, baby. You won't get nervous. I got you. Okay, I promise. I got you.
You don't look forward. That's the problem.
Because I'm comfortable. You're freaking out, but I'm comfortable. We're in a safe environment. I can fix it like I fixed it the first time.
Okay. Lo rompo y no me importa.
No rompa nada,
This is
okay?
my boat, move on my way. I have a boyfriend who fixes shit.
Alright, stay closer for you can see that, see? For you can see a little bit. Yeah, stay closer to Hank. Stay closer there.
I want one of those inflatable.
Yeah, I want to put a...
Right, this way.
Yeah, we gotta put a toilet seat here.
Boat vibes, toilet seat.
Yeah, definitely.
Can I keep 35 minutes after?
Looking good. Found him. Look at this 28 skater with twin 450s, man. Woohoo! thing is sexy. Look at that. Yeah, man. What's going on? We made it late to the party. We made it out though. We got Liberator house. What a beautiful, relaxing afternoon. I've actually really enjoyed today. I really enjoy like how calm the sandbar is today.
Oh, maybe that's your hurt.
We're gonna head back north. What happened? Did you cut yourself?
You caught me.
I'm sorry. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna give you guys some clips of us going back home, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end the video soon. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and like the video. Like the damn video, please. It helps me out, and it's free.
So the long ride home just became even longer. Dun dun dun.
Just ran out of gas.
Dun dun dun.